faster. Next, solve. There are 4 sub questions to this. We'll solve each one by one. Okay, if the cost of 93 meters of certain kind of plastic sheet is 1395, then what is the cost of in rupees to buy 105 meters of such plastic? So here 93 meters 1395. So 105 meters, it will be more or less? More. So if one increases, other increases. So it will be direct proportion. So cross multiply simply 105 into 1395 upon 93. Okay, and answer is 105 into 1.15. Okay, and equals to 1575. Sorry, it's not point, it's directly 15. So 105 into 15. So 1575 would be the required cost. Next, 55 cows can graze a field in 16 days. How many cows will graze the same field in 10 days? It means 55 cows eat up the grass in 16 days. Now if you have to eat up the grass in 10 days, how many cows would be required? So if days are decreased, it means cows would increase or decrease? It would increase. So one decreases, other increases. So this is inverse proportion. Remember, cows increase, days decrease, right? So C equals to K upon D, right? Therefore K equals to constant. Now one condition is given, 55 equals to K upon 16. So K equals to 55 into 16. Okay. Now what next? How many cows would be required for 10 days? Okay. So C equals to what? What is K? 55 into 16 upon D, right? Therefore D equals to 10. So C equals to 55 into 16 upon 10. That is 88 cows would be required. Just solve this. You will get 88 cows would be required. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.